So what we just did here is this. Watch. If I was to show this as a block diagram, I've got AC coming in and DC coming out. Do you see that? And this is my rectifier circuit. Okay, so in comes 120 volts AC, out comes 3.38 volts DC. That's what's happening here. And the reason why it's 3.38 is mainly because of that transformer stepping the voltage down to about 8 volts. And then you convert the 8 volts to a peak value, and then you subtract 0.7, and then you divide by pi. So you have to go through about 4 steps. Let me show you what the 4 steps are. So, you're standing over here. Watch. This is a little bit of. I'm going to draw a stick man. So here's the stick man. You see? So at this point, you're RMS. You see that? Are you with me? And you're big at this point. When you jump over here, you're going to become tiny. So you're a smaller stick man. But you're still RMS. So this is step 1. What is step 1? Jumping over from here across the transformer, and you're a smaller stick man. So, but you're still RMS. Okay? So that was my first step. V secondary RMS is now 8 volts. Once you're here, now you're going to jump over here. Okay? So from here, you come over here, then you jump over to the top, and that's peak. Then, so this is step 2, V secondary peak. Then you're going to jump from here to the other side. And that is V out peak. And from here, now you're going to jump down to the DC value. So first, it's RMS to the secondary. From the RMS, you're going to jump up to the peak. From the peak, you're going to jump over across the diode to the rectified side, and then you're going to jump down to the DC average side. 4 steps. So page 1 shows A, B, C, and D. These are the 4 steps to get from 120 AC to 3.38 volts DC. Make sense? That is how rectifier circuits work. All rectifier circuits, you have to go through these 4 steps to get from AC to DC. Let's do the other 3 calculations, and then we'll, or at least do a couple of calculations, and then we'll stop. IDC average. We'll write a quiz there. IDC average. What's the formula for I? V over R. That's my formula. Then I'm going to put some values in the formula. So how much is VDC average? 3.38. Divide that by how much?
1,000.
1K. What's the answer? 3.38 million. I show a little picture of a meter set to DC because that's what I will read the current on a meter, about 3.38 milliamps in the load. Power. Then we'll stop at power. PDCF. Actually, we'll do the next one. What is PDC average?
V squared over R.
V is how much? 3.38 volts. I is how much? 3.38 milliamps. What's the answer? $11.4 milliwatts. And we'll talk about PIV next class.